Hi, hello. Welcome to Subhedar Sir's Academy. Today we will continue the AP chapter important questions. Okay. Into the yaar Hindi video nodilla. Go through that video and comment it on. Okay. Today we will continue the remaining problems of AP. So here, how many natural numbers are there between 1 and 1000 which are divisible by 5 but not divisible by 2? So what are those natural numbers? So here given that the natural numbers between 1 and 1000 which are divisible by 5 but not 2. So only we have to collect the numbers which are divisible by 5 but not 2. For example, here I am going to write number of 5, multiples of 5, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. Right? In this multiples of 5, here we have some numbers which are divisible by 2 also. We have to remove those, right? So see here, 10 is also divisible by 2, 20 is also divisible by 2 and so on. 30 is also divisible by 2. Apart from those numbers, we have to write only the numbers which are divisible by 5. Here actually the numbers which are divisible by 5 but not 2, those are 5, 15, 25. Now observe the AP. Here the difference between these two, 15 and 5 is 10. 25 and 15 is 10. Then what is the next number? 35. Similarly 45 and so on. These are the numbers only which are divisible by 5 but not 2. This is our AP. This is our AP. Now in this AP, here we have A is equal to 5 and common difference is 10 and we have to find here number of terms n. Here we have to find n. And what is the last number which is divisible by 5 but not 2? That is 995. 995. That is an is equal to 995 because it is the last number. The last number is denoted by an. Now we have formula, that is we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? Now substitute the values. Here an is 995 is equal to, what is a here? 5 plus n we have to find, that is n minus 1, keep it as it is. And what is d? D is 10. Common difference is 10. Now remove the bracket and simplify. We get here 995 is equal to 5 plus 10 into n is 10n minus 10. Now take this minus 10. Wait. Add these two. 995 is equal to 5 minus 10 is minus 5. Now take this minus 5 to LHS. It becomes positive. So this implies 995 plus 5 is equal to 10n. So then 10n is equal to 1000. Then n is equal to 100 because 10, 10 ones are 10 hundreds. Right? So n is equal to 100. That is the number of the total numbers. There are 100 numbers between 1 and 1000 which are divisible by 5 only but not 2. So therefore there are 100 numbers between 1 and 1000. 100 natural numbers. Okay, 100 natural numbers between the natural numbers 1 and 1000 which are divisible by 5 but not by 2, which is the required solution. Note it down. So next question, how many terms are there in AP whose first and fifth terms are minus 14 and 2 respectively, and also the given is last term is 62. Here we have to find a number of terms, that is n we have to find. Then what is given here? Here given first term is given, that is first term, that is denoted by a only. So a is given, that is minus 14, and also given that fifth term, that is fifth term, that is a5 is given, that is what is that one, 2, and here we have to find n, and also we need d also, common difference is also we need. So to get the common difference, first we solve a5. What is a5? What is the fifth term? A plus 4d, because we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? Here n is equal to 5 we have, here n is equal to 5, so therefore put n is equal to 5. So a plus 5 minus 1 into d, a plus 4d. So fifth term can also be written as a plus 4d. So 8 plus 4d is equal to, it is given, that is 2. So what is a value? A value is minus 14. Substitute here. We get minus 14 plus 4d is equal to 2. Now take this minus 14 to RHS. It becomes positive. So that is 4d is equal to 2 plus 14, and 4d is equal to 16. 4 ones are 4 fours are. So what is common difference here? 4 is the common difference. Now we have to find the how many terms are there. So how many terms are there in AP whose first and fifth terms are 14 and minus 14 and 2, and the last term is 62. Last term is 62. Here an is also given. So an given, an is equal to 62. And again here we know that here given that we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So an is equal to here 62. Substitute. What is a here? Minus 14 plus n we don't know, so n minus 1. So d is here 4. Now simplify. We get 62 is equal to minus 14 plus 4n minus 4. Minus 14 minus 4 minus 18 plus 4n. So 62. So take this one to this side. 62 plus 18 is equal to 4n. 62 plus 18, that is 80, is equal to 4n. Then n is equal to 20, because 4 ones are 4 20s are. So n is equal to 20. The total 20 terms are there between these numbers, minus 14, 2, and last number is 62. Note it down. Next, which term of an AP 65, 61, 57, 53 and so on is the first negative number? Just observe this AP, it is goes on decreasing. Here they have asked only the first negative number, when appear the first negative number, right? Here we have to find the negative number, in which term the negative number appears, that to first negative number. So here given is given 65, 61, 57, 53 and so on. Here a is equal to 65 and common difference is minus 4. Common difference is minus 4 because 61 minus 65, 57 minus 61, we get minus 4. And here we have to find n number, that is in which term we are going to get a negative number, right? So for that we are going to use, so that is now consider negative number can also be written as an is less than 0, where we are going to get the first negative number, so that is less than 0. What is the formula for an? A plus n minus 1 into d is less than 0. Now here we have a value as well as d value. Substitute those. we get A is 65 plus keep it as it is n minus 1 because here we are going to find the value of n. So D is minus 4 which is less than 0. Now remove the bracket, we get 65 minus n minus 1 into 4 because plus into minus minus. So is less than 0. Now remove the bracket. 65 minus 4n plus 4 is less than 0. And this implies minus 4n plus 69 is less than 0. Now take this minus 4 into RHS. We get 69 is less than 4n. That is n is greater than. Now I am going to write this one as this side and this one as this side. So inequality changes. So therefore n 69 divided by 4. 69 divided by 4. After simplifying this one, we get n is equal to, n is less than, greater than 17 1 by 4. 17 is 1 by 4. So 4 17s are 68. 68 plus 1 is 69. So that is 69 by 4. So now it is not a natural number. It is not a natural number. Near of this one is after this one is greater than of this natural number is, it is equal to 18th term. So the 18th term, so therefore n is greater than 18th, that is 18th term will be the first negative number. So which is a required solution. So it means 18th term we are going to get a first negative number. Right? Right now. Right on, next question. Find the middle term of an AP 7, 13, 19 and so on up to 247. 3 marks important. 3 marks question very very important. Here given AP is 7, 13, 19 and so on up to 247. Here we have to find the middle term of this AP. Middle term of this AP. Here because given is A is equal to 7. What is the difference? 13 minus 7, 6. 19 minus 13, again 6. So common difference is 6. And what is last term? 247. Last term 247. First we will find the n, then after that we are going to find the n middle term of the given AP. Right? So here n is equal to we have to find. So formula we know that. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now substitute the given. So 247, An is 247. What is A here? 7 plus n we have to find. D is 6. 247, 7 plus 6n minus 6. 7 plus minus 6 is 1. So 247 is equal to 1 plus 6n. Now transfer this one to this side. 247 minus 1 is equal to 6n. Then what is n here? N is equal to 246 divided by 6. Here we are going to get 6 ones are, 6 fours are, 1s are. So that is 41. So there are total 41 numbers. Here we have total number of terms 41. In that 41 we have to find the middle term, right? So therefore middle term of an AP is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. N plus 1 divided by 2. Here n value is 41 plus 1 divided by 2. So that is 42 divided by 2 is equal to 21. 21st term is the middle term. Here we got the number. Middle term number. But what is that number? The term of that number. Right? So therefore here we have to find A21. Again formula A plus n minus 1 into D. An formula apply manatani. So here n is equal to 21. Right? So A is 7 plus 20 into what is D? here 6. So 7 plus 120 is equal to 127. 26 is 120. So 120 plus 7 is 127. So 21st term is 127. 127 is the middle term of the AP, given AP. Is the required middle term of an AP. Write down. So give an example. The sum of first 3 terms of an AP is 33. Sum, addition of first 3 terms is 33. And if the product of first and third term exceeds the second term by 29. This is given, right? We have to find that AP. Okay. So here given is consider what are our first terms of an AP. Generally A1, A2, A3 and so on. These are the terms, right? Here given is A1 plus A2 plus A3 is 33. Okay. Here first term I will write this one as A minus D. Second term is A plus D. You can also consider A plus D, A plus 2D. These are also our terms of an AP. Before this one we have A minus D, A minus 2D and so on, right? So here I will consider first 3 terms A minus D, A and A plus D are first 3 terms of the given AP. Are first 3 terms of given AP. So what is the condition here? Given that A minus D plus A plus D, because sum of first 3 terms is equal to 33. And also given that second one is the second point, first and third term exceed the second term by 29. First and third term, A minus D and A plus D. A minus D is first term, A plus D is the third term. So that is given that A minus D and sorry, A plus D, product of these two, first term and third term, is equal to exceeds the second term. What is second term is A. So A by 29, add to this one 29. So this is given second term, right? Now here we have to find the AP. So simplify this one. Here minus D plus D get cancelled and we remains with A plus A plus A. That is 3A is equal to 33. So 3 ones are 3 11s. So what is the first term here? A is equal to 11. We got a second term. So A is equal to 11. To find first term and third term, we need D. We have to get a D value. Then only we are going to get the A minus D and A plus D value. So to get this one, we simplify this one. Here this can also be written as A plus A minus D into A plus B can also be written as A square minus D square is equal to, what is the value of A here? 11. Substitute that one. So 29. So A square minus D square is A square minus D square is equal to 29 plus 11 is 40. Right? And also we have the value of A substituted here. A is nothing but 11 square. What is 11 square? 121. 121 minus D square is equal to 40. So then D square is equal to 121 minus 40. So minus take plus 42 LHS side and minus D square to RHS side. We get D square is equal to 121 minus 40. That is nothing but 81. Here D square is equal to 81. Then what is the value of D? So this implies D is equal to plus or minus 9 because 9 square is 81. Right? Here we have two values. One is minus 9 and plus 9. That is for D value. Here when A is equal to, A is 11 and D is equal to minus 9. First one, minus 9. Then what are the AP? First three terms are, so A is 11, A minus D, A plus D. These are the first three terms. So put A is equal to 11 minus of minus 9. 11 minus 9. So this implies minus of minus plus. 11 plus 9 is 20. 11 minus 9 is 2. And so on. This is our AP. Or when A is equal to 11 and D is equal to another number 9. We have two numbers, right? D is equal to 9. So again, A minus D, A plus D are the three numbers. So substitute this one. 11 minus 9, 11 plus 9. 11 minus 9 is 2, 11, 20 and so on. This is a required AP. Required AP, or this is also the required AP. Right? So these are 5 hot questions for this year. So last 3 problems are 3 marks. This is also very important 3 marks problem. 3 marks, very important. So go through this video, and if you have any doubt, comment it in comment box and also share it with your friends. ಇನ್ನು ತನಕ ಯಾರು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸುಬೇದಾರ್ ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.